operation. Now also, I can change the name of the preset. Let's say I got a preset here, and we go to this generic stuff we got over here. This is all generic, you know. Generic meaning like, you know, whatever you want to call it. So this is generic. I say, okay, I want to load it. Press enter. I load a generic in. Got my generic in there. I'm ready to roll. So I want to change the name though. I may change the preset. I like it. So we're going to press this button right here. One more time. And now I can change the name of this preset. Now how we do this? We just change the name by turning our data wheel right here, our value knob right here. And so I can change it right there. See that? Got numbers, everything. And all the way over I can get the lowercase. And we have uppercase right here, as you can see. So we can change the name. And I can change it anyway. I can call it like Zen. Move the cursor over, move the cursor over, move the cursor over. And here, keep turning my wheel again. I can get nothing there. My next cursor will blink, as you can obviously see that. I get nothing there. Next cursor will blink. I go to here, I get nothing here. And go to here and a blink, and I can turn to nothing as well. And now I can press enter, and I can save this to there. And I'll save it to 17. And now it's saved. I can turn my data wheel. Well, there it is, Zen. It's number 17. We got Zen right there. See that? I got generic still, but this is now called Zen. That's how we can change the name of our preset. Okay, now I'm in this particular preset. Now, if I want to edit the pads, or if I want to edit a keyboard, or I want to edit the fader or knob, I'll press edit. Now, I pressed edit. I turned K1, the first knob, and now I can edit the parameters for that knob. I'll press a keyboard. Any key on the keyboard, any key on this keyboard, and I can edit the parameters for the keyboard. I'm going to hit a pad. I'll hit pad 1. There you go. P1, P for pad, pad 1. I can edit pad 1. I'll move a fader. Fader 1 just moved it. Look, we have control change here. We can change the parameter for that particular fader. Another fader. There's fader 2. I'll go to fader 8. Knob. K8. Any key on the keyboard. I can hit any pad. No matter what. I'm still able to edit. If I hit a pad, edit that pad. This is how it works, okay? Well, next we're going to edit the keyboards. Now, I'm going to edit the keyboard parameters a little bit. Now, hit a keyboard here. We have octave. We have transposition. I'm going to press edit. Hit a keyboard. Any note in the keyboard, and we've got octave, the first parameter I can actually edit. The next one is aftertouch. The next one is velocity. Now, once I pick the parameter I want to edit, I press my value knob in. So you push it to enter. And now I see the parameters I can edit here in octave. The first parameter is, of course, the control change. So I can set the MIDI channel to control change to from 1A up to 16B. I'll press the cursor button here over. And now I can change the octave from flat to a +3 or to a -3 octave. Once my change is correct, I can press enter. I'm done. Now, I can also set the keyboard aftertouch. Now, I'll turn my data wheel, value knob right there, and now we have aftertouch. To edit this parameter, we just press enter, and we're in. The same thing here applies. We have the MIDI control channel, which I can change, which you can send on, of course, from 1A to 16B, as I'll show you right here. And move my cursor over. And now we have it on or off. Just toggle between the two, on or off. In this case, it's on. I like that. I'll press enter. Now, we have velocity. I'll press enter. And we can change the velocity as well the same way. We have the CC control change, move the cursor over, and it's on or off. Press enter, and I've changed, or if I wanted to, which I didn't do anything actually, just show you, but you can change the parameters for your keyboard by using this method. Once I'm set, I press enter, I'm good. I know what I want. Now if I want to edit something else, I'll go to pad, we'll say. I hit a pad right there. And now I can change the note of this pad. Now, I'll turn the data wheel. We have note. We can change the program change. And note. See that? I'll select note. And now I can change the note. I can change the CC, the MIDI control channel, from the obvious 1A to 16B. I can also change the note. So for the pad I hit, that note is 39. So I hit on the pad, it won't change. See that? Because we're stuck here in this one pad that we selected already. Be aware of that. Now next, what I can do here is change the note. I can say I want that pad to be note 040 or note 40. We can also go from momentary to toggle between the two. That's a momentary to toggle. And here we have PPR to CPR change. I can press enter and we're in. The note value has changed. Okay, next I want to explain some more about information and how it's sent. Make it a little easy for us. Now here we're on pad, of course. We went to note. I'll press enter again. And these changes, when it says A, 1A means we're going out of port A. Sometimes some machines have two MIDI outs, A and B, or MIDI ins A and B. So we want to send it out of, let's say, A and B, so two ports. So in 16 possible MIDI channels, that means we have 1 through 16 for A, and then port B would be 1 through 16.